Hello everyone, this is NeuroHub21, and before starting our today's topic, let us take a quick review of our last class, bronchiectasis. Okay, so I explained in my earlier class that bronchiectasis is the permanent irreversible dilation of the bronchi. Why permanent irreversible dilation? Due to the various causes, that is focal bronchiectasis and diffuse bronchiectasis. I mentioned the various causes. I also mentioned various genetic causes such as cystic fibrosis and Carter-Jenner syndrome, which is very important for the exam point of view and for competitive purposes. So basically, let me again explain what is cystic fibrosis and what is Carter-Jenner syndrome. Suppose this is your alveoli, and this is your airway, and here mucus cilia is present. Then what will gonna happen in cystic fibrosis? What will gonna happen is your mucus will adhere here. Your mucus will become so sticky, so viscid. Your mucus will become so sticky and so viscid. Mucoviscidosis will happen. So the cilia will unable to bear the weight of the mucus, so that it cannot escalate out the mucus. So here the problem is not in the cilia. Here the problem is not in the cilia. Here the problem is not in the cilia. In cystic fibrosis, problem is not in the cilia, but problem is in the viscid mucus. But in Carter-Jenner syndrome, the problem is inside the cilia. The cilia become immotile. The mucus will stick here, unable to escalate out the mucus. Therefore, mucus will adhere here, and further progression of the disease by accumulation of pus will occur. So let us begin our today's class with the clinical manifestation portion. So in bronchiectasis, what will gonna happen is productive cough. Productive cough will happen. Productive cough means sputum, very productive, very sticky sputum will happen. And bronchoria. What exactly is bronchoria? This green is the accumulation of mucus in the airway, in the bronchi and the bronchiole. Okay, so bronchoria means if 100 ml, if greater than 100 ml sputum production is occurring, that is known as bronchoria. And dyspnea on exertion, obviously there gonna be a dyspnea on exertion. Why dyspnea? Due to the decrease in the size of the lumen, due to the accumulation of the mucus inside the bronchi. Now clubbing of fingers. Really, exactly why clubbing of fingers? Let me explain what is clubbing of fingers. Clubbing of fingers means bluish discoloration of your fingertips, fingernails. Why it is happening? Because this blocked bronchi, oxygen will not pass, and in the alveoli there will be no oxygen. The alveoli will deflate, and there is no diffusion of oxygen inside the nearby blood vessel. If there is no oxygen inside the nearby blood vessel, then what will gonna happen? Carbon dioxide production will occur. Carbon dioxide production will be more, because carbon dioxide is also not going outside, through the exchange is not going. Therefore carbon dioxide production will occur inside the blood vessel, and that what will gonna happen in our peripheral tissues, that is the shortest arteries and shortest veins, that is your fingernails. It will become bluish discoloration. Therefore clubbing of finger will occur. Now the next feature is hemoptysis. Why hemoptysis? If suddenly there will be any kind of tissue injury inside the bronchi, then what will gonna happen is this mucus will be mixed with the blood, and the sputum will be mixed with the blood. Then on coughing, hemoptysis will occur. Hemoptysis means blood in coughing. When a patient will cough, then blood will be seen over there. Now suppuration is the accumulation of pus. Suppuration means the accumulation of pus due to this tumor. Due to this progressive accumulation of the mucus, infection will occur over there, and pus formation will occur. Basically the triad of I will mention you the triad of bronchiectasis. Question will arise, what is the triad of bronchiectasis? Now of bronchoria, clubbing of finger and hemoptysis. Watching in patient, what will we watch, what will we observe? Bronchoria we will observe. What is bronchoria? I mentioned 100 ml sputum production daily basis, and clubbing of fingernails, that is bluish discoloration of the fingers, and hemoptysis. Thank you very much guys for watching the video very patiently. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let the needy ones get the opportunity to evolve and let the wisdom go viral. Thank you very much. We will be coming back with our next video on the management of bronchiectasis. Till then, stay safe and enjoy your life. Thank you.